Hello! Let's learn some colors. Yellow color, brown color, purple color, green color, orange color, red color. Let's learn some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Red color. Number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Orange color. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Green color. Number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Yellow color. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Purple color. Number 5. Number 5. Number 5. Brown color. Number 6. Number 6. 6. Red color. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Orange color. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Color. Number 9. Number 9. Number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye. Hello. Let's learn some colors. Purple color. Red color. Green color. Violet color. Orange color. Let's learn some alphabets. A, B, B, C, C, D, D. Capital letter, small letter. A for apple. Red color. B. B for book.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Small b. B for banana. Green color. C. C for candy. Small c. C for cherry. Violet color. D. D for doll. Small d. D for dog. A for apple. B. B for book. C. C for candy. D. D for doll. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.